Before you watching this video, I hope you give like if you like this video and subscribe this channel so you don't miss any update from this channel, okay? Hello everyone, my name is Deva Nur Fitriana. Today, we will study about farm animal together. Let's go! But what is farm animal? Is there any kinds from farm animal? Aha! I have idea. Rather you confuse it? Please listen explanation carefully. Let's go! Farm animals are animals that usually live or forage in the fields. There are many kinds of farm animals, but I will explain you 6 of them. So, let's go to the first farm animal is cow. If you spell cow is C-O-W, cow. The sound of cow is moo. Cow likes to eat grass. Cow produce milk and meat. Let's go to the second farm animal is sheep. If you spell sheep is S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Sheep likes to eat grass. The sound of sheep is ba ba. Sheep produces meat and fur. Okay, let's go to the third farm animal is goat. If you spell goat is G-O-A-T, goat. The sound of goat is bleat, bleat. Goat likes to eat grass. Goat produces milk and meat. Let's go to the fourth farm animal is horse. If you spell horse is H-O-R-S-E, horse. The sound of horse is neigh, neigh. Horse likes to eat grass. Horse can use as transportation and bring some goods. Okay, let's go to the fifth farm animal is if you spell duck is D-U-C-K, duck. The sound of duck is quack, quack. Duck like to eat worm and insect. Duck produce egg and meat. Okay, let's go to the last farm animal is chicken. If you spell chicken is C-H-E-C-K-E-N, chicken. The sound of chicken is bloop, bloop, bloop. Chicken likes to eat corn seed. Chicken produces egg and meat. I think enough for my explanation. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. See you.